Well, hey, good for you. Good. Thanks for joining us. Everyone, get out your small books. Let's do some homework review. Page 49 and 50, Unit 13. Let's get the ball rolling here. And let me screen share. Oh, Ryan here. Oh my gosh, we have a full house today. Everyone's on time. This is great. This is great. Another instance where we have everyone here at the same time, on time, in class. 2 seconds of claps. That's great. All right. Ryan, and for everyone who didn't hear yet, let's take out our small books and let's open to page 49 and 50. Do some homework review. Uh, yeah, let's do that. Hold on. Okay, let me screen share. Oh, no, 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 no. All right. Also, Leon asked if we can play Scriblio. Let's do that next Tuesday or Thursday, since we didn't start the vocab yet, but we're gonna start today. We already did this. What's that? Oh, 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 oh. I think that was the activity that we did last time. All right. Section 2, we have momoke, the adverb conjugation-ish, kind of. All right, so we have the first sentence, 청소를 해야 돼요. I have to clean. That's basically what it is. But it's asking you, how are you going to clean it? So the adverb, how are you going to clean it? 깨끗하다 means clean. So, Leon, you can go first.
청소를 깨끗하게 해야 돼요.
해야.
해야 돼요.
Good, good. Good. That's good. All right. Number 2, 머리를 잘라주세요. So it's asking you cut your hair, but how? So 짧다. 짧다 means short. Cut my hair short. Okay. So Eden, let's do number 2. All right. We're gonna wait for you, Simon. Let's do number 2.
All right. 머리를 잘라주세요.
Okay. One thing that you have, it's 짧게, not 가. 짧게 잘라주세요.
짧게. All right.
Good. Okay. All right, Eden, number 3.
엄마가 스파게티를 맛있게 만드셨어요.
Good. Well, yes. You're right. Yeah, I'll give you that one. That's good. 맛있게. So, I guess 맛있다 means tastes good, So it's good. All right. Let's go on to section 3. Now we have pictures. Okay? Still with the momoke, all right? The adverbs. So the first sentence is asking, 너는 동생하고 안 싸워? You guys don't fight, or with your younger sibling. So Ryan, what do you have for number 1?
Oh, I forgot to use the get.
Okay. How would you go about this sentence then?
Wait, what?
How let's try to solve it without it. Let's try to solve it without the book.
Yeah, okay. I said 내 동생 해도 wait. Oh, 해고 잘 노래요.
Okay. Yeah, makes sense. With so obviously you don't have the ke. 사이 좋게 잘 놀아. So 사이 in this case means relationship. Just means like yes, yes. 사이 좋게 잘 놀아. Okay, so relationship wise, they play well because they have a good relationship. Okay. Number 2, 오늘 왜 학교 늦었어? Why were you late to school? So I think this is a very easy one. because Ryan, you said you didn't do the K. Let's try this again. Uh, you didn't use the K, right? But you have 늦다 in this. So how about you use that in your reply sentence? 3B or 2B.
Oh wait, I used it on this one, but none of the other ones.
Oh, okay. Well, you can keep going.
I think so. 늦게 일어났어. Wait.
Oh,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
늦게 일어났어.
Uh-huh. Okay. 늦게 일어났어요. Good. All right. Number 3. Let's go back to Leon.
귀엽게 생겼어. Or 예쁘게.
Hmm? Yeah. Either one. I would say 귀엽다 because okay, 귀엽다 means cute. 예쁘다 means pretty. So if you were just in case, Leon, if you had a teddy bear, let's say, and you were to describe it, would you use the word cute or pretty? I would say cute. Pretty, I would say probably refers to a person, and also cute refers to a person. But I think that those types of like objects would be cute. Do you follow? Does that make sense? Leon? Yes, no? Maybe so? Okay. That's why I would say 귀엽다 in this sentence. But good word choice. Okay, so now we're going on to the next page. Let's have Eden. This is just un 다음에. So this is like after this, I like after X, I will do Y. The general format. So Eden, let's just see number 1. 먼지를 털어요. 청소기를 돌려요. So obviously it would be after I dust off something, I will run the vacuum. So what is your answer for number 1? Eden, what is your answer for number 1? Okay.
I got 먼지를 털고 다음에 청소기를 들여요.
Okay. I think I just didn't teach you this, but for this one, 턴 다음에 when you have a 리을 받침, I would just put a 니은 right here. 먼지를 턴 다음에 sorry, 턴 다음에 청소기를 돌려요. Okay, but that was kind of partly my fault. But yeah, just watch out for this. It's not 털고 다음에 because that's not the grammar usage. The grammar is 니은 다음에, so it has to have something with nian and then 다음에. All right. So good try though. So number 2.
Second one.
Oh, okay, Simon. Yeah, go
Okay.
ahead. Yeah, you're smart.
숙제를 다음에 텔레비전을 봐요.
Okay. One thing I have to note here. 숙제를 what? 해요. 하다. So you didn't put the verb here. So you just said 숙제를 다음에. So obviously you're missing something. You're missing the verb. 숙제를 한 다음에 텔레비전을 봐요. Don't forget this. This is 하다 한 다음에. Okay? Does that make sense, Simon? All right. Ryan, number 3.
옷을 입 다음에 거울을
거울을.
거울을 봐요.
That's good. 옷을 입은 다음에 거울을 봐요. All right. Next section. Now we have pictures. Okay. So let's go back to Leon, number 1.
숙제 끝날 때 나가도 돼. Or maybe if it was to be shorter. 숙제 다 했대.
Yeah. Did you use this 은 다음에? Did you use that?
Oh,
It's
I'll
okay.
fix it.
What? You can try it.
숙제
Yeah.
숙제 다 했대. Wait, actually,
So how about you use 끝내다 as your verb and then go from there. 숙제를
Okay.
끝내다 놀이터에 갈게.
Okay. Actually,
All right, I'll give you a minute to think about that. I'm gonna keep going. We'll go back to number one, but actually, wait. Yeah.
숙제한 다음에?
숙제를 한 다음에. Yes.
Okay.
Keep going. Finish the sentence.
숙제한 다음에 놀아도 돼.
Yeah. But keep in mind 숙제를. Don't forget that.
Okay.
숙제를 한 다음에. Oh, my bad.
Oh.
Sorry. Normally I would put the after though, one because I'm identifying the object. That's my fault. Yeah, you can say that too. 숙제한 다음에 가자 means let's go together, right? So number two, we have Sarah. I think that's Sarah in Korean. Sarah, 어서 와서 파스타 먹어. Pasta. The Italian pasta. Okay. So Eden, what is your answer for number two?
손이 씻고 다음에 파스타를 먹으러 갈게요.
Can you say that again? Can you repeat that? I didn't really hear you. Eden, yeah.
손 씻고 다음에 파스타를 먹으러 갈게요.
Okay, so I feel like that Eden, I don't think you're using this grammar correctly because you're saying 손 씻고 다음에. So I think it's 씻는 다음에. And I think that's the proper way, or yeah, I would say something along the lines of that, or 씻은 다음에. Good. 손을 씻은 다음에, not 씻고, 씻은 다음에 먹을게요. What you're trying to say is using the KOR formula. You just want to do 손을 씻고 먹을게요. That would be the correct version. But if you're going to use 은 다음에, say the whole thing. 손을 씻은 다음에 먹을게요. Does that make sense? You need to distinguish between the two, okay? Hey, Simon.
Can you actually just put what the food is?
What do you mean?
Pasta 먹어요, something like that.
Like towards the end of the sentence?
Yes.
Like in between here?
Mm-hmm.
You can.
Okay.
But we're omitting it. The reason is we're omitting that, meaning like we're indirectly saying that because we already said that in the first part. Now, normally, if they ask you like, "Hey, come eat this," I don't know, like tonkatsu or something, you're gonna be like, "Oh, okay, I'll go eat it." Not saying, "Oh, okay, I'll go eat the tonkatsu that you made me." Extra wordy, too long of a sentence, not necessary. Maybe you can say that, you can, but then again, this is the shorter version, short and sweet. Okay, does that make sense, Simon? I think your internet froze, but cool. All right. This is already recorded anyway, so you can just, yeah. It's all right, Simon. You're cool. All right, Simon, since I think your internet froze, we'll do Ryan for number three. Last one.
드시다 음에 밥을 먹어요.
What?
think I used the 다음에.
Oh, you didn't get that?
Huh?
You didn't get that?
No.
Okay. Let's break it down. 어른들이 먼저 드시면 먹어야 해. 어른들이 먼저 드신 다음에 먹을게요. So I know it's kind of confusing because it didn't show you a double-sided picture, but then again, 먼저. So it's basically just a restatement of what it is. Like it's basically just restating this sentence. So sorry if that's confusing, but this was just basically what it was. 어른들이 먼저 드시면 먹어야 해. 어른들이 먼저 드신 다음에 먹을게요. When the adults eat first, then you can eat. I don't know if that's a rule at your house, but when I was young, I remember that when I used to eat dinner, I could not be the first one to pick up, like the food. I could not touch it first. Always my father or my mom would be the ones to first touch it. Not to say that I don't really do that anymore, but that used to be like a custom that I did, and that also was ancient like Korean tradition as well. It's
Sorry,
also very. Oh, what's? Hey Simon.
the cord came out.
What?
The cord came out of the outlet.
Oh, what cord? Oh, to your PC. Oh well, hey, at least you're back. That's all that matters. So that's cool. All right. Well, I'm going to be stop sharing, and let's just do some listening activities. So everyone open your books to page 116. We have the big book. So we're on unit 14 now. 병은 생활용품에 넣은 게 좋겠어. It is good to put bottles in a recycling bin. So this part, we are going to be dividing it. And yeah, so this will help us develop a stronger sense of reading skills and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, so let's have uh Leon. Okay, so we're not going to divide it by character because there's only two characters. So we're going to divide it by lines. So Leon, you're going to read the first two lines, regardless if it's Chizu or Michael. You just read the first two lines. Eden, you're going to read the next set of two lines. Simon, you're going to read the third set of two lines. And then Ryan, you're just going to have one line, but it's fine. You can just have the last line. Okay? Does that make sense? All right.
What page is it?
116 in the big book. In the big book. Okay. So, Leon, whenever you're ready, go ahead.
오케이. 공와 공원에 쓰레기가 많네.
맞네.
쓰레기 때문에 냄새도 나. 쓰레기들을 주워서 버려야겠어.
버려야겠어.
겠어.
Good. All right, Eden, next set of two lines, starting from 그래.
Okay. The third line.
Yes.
Okay. 그래, 우리가 좀 하자.
Next
That
line.
one? Keep
Keep
going.
reading. Yeah, keep reading.
Keep reading.
Yes, just keep reading, man. I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay. 병은 저쪽에 있은 재활용통에 넣는 게 좋겠다.
좋겠어.
좋겠어.
Okay, Simon, next three. Next two lines.
알았어. 내가 버릴게. 많이
Michael is one of the characters.
펜지 많다.
Okay.
민트 과자 봉지가 있어. 내가 줄게. 아재
Okay, wait,
깨끗
just repeat after me. 이제
이제
깨끗해졌어.
깨끗했어.
Good, good, good. All right, Ryan, last line.
좋은 일을 하니까 기분이 좋네. 그러지?
그렇지. So in that case, the last word, it says it sounds like 그러지, but that here at the second syllable is gonna make it 그렇지. It's gonna sound like that, all right? So this is basically just about cleaning, recycling, environmental purposes. Okay, so let's go to our Quizlet and let's just review some terms. And next week we'll be able to, regardless if it's Tuesday or Thursday, we'll have our Scriblio thing. I think we should make that a little bit of a like a weekly thing. We should make it, that should be really cool if we keep doing that. I like that idea, Ryan. I really do. It's just that the first time we did it last Tuesday was a lot of terms and it was a lot of stuff to type in your answers. But anyways, regardless of that, I'm just gonna go over the vocab real quick before our break. So let's get to it. So we have cleaning, which is 청소. That's just the noun. 청소하다 is to clean. Next term, to organize. 정리하다. So it says 정리, but it's pronounced 정리. 정리하다. 정리해야 돼. To organize. To sweep is 쓸다. Sweeping a broom. So if they say 바닥을 쓸어야 돼, that means sweep the floor. To pick up, 줍다. So if we say it in normal terms though, like as a verb conjugated, it'd be like 주워야 돼. That's picking. To throw away, 버리다. This is a very popular word. I feel like you guys have heard this. 쓰레기 버려야 돼. 쓰레기 버리다. That means throw away trash. Oh, I forgot. It is trash. It's trash day for my neighborhood, so I do have to do the trash after this. To put, 꽂다. 꽂 like flower. 꽂다.
꽂다,
All right. To put something in, 넣다. Well, basically like 넣어야 돼. I don't know why that picture's so small, by the way. Oh, whoever made this Quizlet. To hang, 걸다. 옷 걸어야 돼. Hanging clothes. To fold, 개다. Folding clothes. To be clean, 깨끗하다. This should be a word that you should. This should be a word that you should memorize. 깨끗해, 깨끗하다. Okay. I don't know. I think at my house we prioritize cleanliness once in a while, vacuuming. I don't know, washing dishes, cleaning floors, all that stuff. All right. So in that case, it is 8:28. Everyone come back at 8:35, and we'll end at 8:55 sharp. Okay, sounds good. All right. See y'all in 7 minutes.